Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB. In this video, you're going to learn how to perform mouse hover over in Selenium using action chains. Let's start by looking at the test scenario. On Amazon.com, I want to hover over the country flyout menu, then click on change country/region. Next, I want to assert whether the default country is set to United States or not. Now let's look at the test directory structure. Under Amazon_tests, I have a conf_test.py file which contains a driver fixture function. This function is responsible for initializing the Chrome WebDriver. Next, let's look at the test file. On line 6, I'm using the driver.get method to go to Amazon.com. On line 7, I'm using the find_element method By.XPATH to find the flyout menu. Next, I'm using the action chains to hover over the flyout menu. Line 11, I'm clicking on the change country link, then getting the inner HTML attribute from the dropdown. Finally, on line 16, I'm asserting whether the country is equal to United States or not. Now let's run this test to see how the execution looks like. As you can see, the test passed. To export the test results in an HTML format, click on the Export Test Results button. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.